So the Range Rover, it's 6:30 in the morning, Sunday. The Range Rover is air out. So ito kasi, this car has no tank. So after 2 days without using, bumababa siya mag-isa. So to bring it up, just simply close all the doors and start the car. It should rise up. No? Kasi wala siyang tank. Why? We are thinking, Rocky and I are thinking, kasi maybe because the engineers, they took it out to make it more reliable, their suspension. Kasi pag may tank, nagmo-moist yung tubig sa loob, sabi ni Rocky. So, here is the 124. Ito yung red light na binili natin kay Rocky. Ang lakas. Ayan. Lakas oh. So, less than 3,000. Naka-LED na H4 na ako with a ballast and all. Ayan. So, we are on our way to Alabang. It's our first Benz meet. Sumali ako this time because I feel that this car is can make it already all the way to Alabang. Never been there. So this will be my first long drive of the car. It's about 30 kilometers away from here. Pero daan muna tayo kay Easy sa Las Piñas para may convoy, may kasabay ako. Then all the way to Alabang, no? Somewhere there. So the last video that we did for this car, pinrep natin siya, chininch oil natin siya, thank you GRC. And pinacar wash natin siya, thank you Area 28. And yun lang naman. Nakalimutan ko rin ipalagay yung plate. May white plate na ako, nandyan. It's here. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko ipalagay kay GRC. So inon ko na siya. Ayan, mas kita na yung ilaw sa loob. Inon ko na siya because this car hates a cold start, no? So, let's head over to Las Piñas. Sa daan natin, dire-diretsong Cavitex. So, I can feel the engine is happy. Thank you, Valvoline from Joen. Valvoline nilagay natin dyan. Pag Euro, Valvoline, dahil yun ang brand mostly ginagamit for Euro cars, no? I just like the brand, no? So, yung ilaw, it helping me a lot. Mas nakikita ko na yung daan kaysa dati. Dati mas madilim talaga. So ngayon mas brighter siya. So yeah, nakatulong yung bago nating headlight. Ayun, daan tayong EDSA ulit. Tapos dire-diretso na yun papuntang kay Las Piñas, no? So feeling confident about the car naman. Actually this car never naman ako tinirik nito. Once lang dito sa village. When my clutch gave out, yung nag-stick na yung clutch ko, yun lang. Pero other than that, since I got the car, since I got it running at least, hindi pa ako tinirik nito. So hopefully, this will not be the first time, no? Okay, see you later. Welcome to EDSA. 6:40 in the morning. Finally, naka-EDSA na siya. It's nice to drive this early. Walang tao, walang kotse masyado pa, so dire-diretso lang ang takbo. Lamig. All the gauges are okay. So, okay naman tayo so far. Nagpakarga na tayo ng 1,000 from the last video para half a tank. Para dire-diretso na tayo, no? Today. So, I'm really excited. I'm hoping to see a lot of classics. Halo-halo naman yun. Hindi naman yun membership club or exclusive club. Basta kung may Benz ka lang, dali mo dun. Register. Tapos, bigay ka ng advance payment for the food, breakfast. Yun. Hindi naman siya run yun. Sabay-sabay kayo pupunta ron. So, mag-meet lang kayo in one location. So, I hope to see a lot of Benz today. Kaya dala ko rin yung camera natin. And I'm actually excited. No? For some reason. I don't know why. Vespa Club. Pag Sunday talaga daming grupong lumalabas. We are in EDSA. So mga medyo vintage na Vespa. Dami nila kanina. So pag Sunday talaga yung mga driving, no? Happy Sunday. Good morning, everybody. Luwag, oh. Papunta na tayong Buendia. Malapit na. So, sarap talaga. Worth it bumangon. I woke up 5:30 in the morning. Actually, late na nga ako. Sabi kasi ni Easy, he wants to meet up 5 Anong oras ba sabi niya? 6:50. So, it's actually quarter already to 7. So, pero wala naman traffic, 10 minutes ando na ako sa Las Piñas. At the rate we are going, lamig ng makina, aircon, sobrang lamig, Ricky. Thank you so much for my aircon. I'm loving the aircon job. Sobrang lamig, dapat may jacket pala ako. Ayan yung ilaw ni Rocky. Oh. Lakas, nakakatulong talaga. Laking tulong yung ilaw ni Rocky. Thank you, Rocky. And yung brake, Mike, thank you sa brake mo. Ang lakas ng brake natin ngayon. Diba yan yung problema natin for quite some time. Pinalitan na natin halos lahat sa brake system. Second hand lang, the master and the hydrovac or the booster. At ang ganda ng balik ng brake. Ang lakas ng pressure. So dati kasi nawala yun. Eh, no? So okay naman so far lahat. I'm feeling very confident. And I'm very happy. Welcome to Skyway. Skyway na EA3. So ito rin ang daan ko. Every time I go to work, dito tayo dumadaan. Masarap mag-drive dito. Maganda ang skyline. Alright. Car's feeling good. Ayan, diretso naman, no? Diba? Second hand tires pa tayo. Hindi pa tayo nakakabili ng brand new. Pero I'm planning to change the shoes ng 17s para mas bumagay. Yung tamang bags para sa era niya. No? Yung mga AMG. Cavite, on your right. Dire-diretso papuntang MOA, papuntang Okada. So pag ganun tayo, pa-left tayo. Kasi Cavitex sa shop nila easy. Dito daan. Wala akong RFID for Cavitex or North. So, cash tayo. Wala naman sigurong pila kasi maaga pa. Very early in the morning. And yan, ito. Cavitex. Malawag din yan. Sa ngayon. Mababad natin yung 5th gear. Bihira natin magamit yan. So, I'm happy nagagamit natin yung 5th gear. That's where the inline 6 drives. Ito yung mga gusto ng kotse. Highway. Babad lang. Tapos light touch on the gas. Kaya. Mike. Long drive na rin natin si 124, Mike. Lang. Taki na. Pila sa cash. Grabe. Daming kotse. Haba. Wala. Ganun talaga. Lamig ng aircon. Nagpapag. Status check, lamig ng makina, and still half tank of gas. Hindi halos gumalaw pa. Loving the Benz today. Ito yung pinakamalayong na drive ko so far sa kanya. No? Ever since we got there. First time ko dito. Sa road na to. Cavitex. Sa traffic, everything seems normal, di ba? Pasado. Ayos. First test pass, we are free. 40 pesos, the toll fee. Daming gumagamit ng Cavitex. Daming wala pang sticker. Just like me. So ito, malapit na kay Easy. 5 minutes away. Ando na tayo sa kanya. And silipin natin yung shop niya. May mga classics doon na nire-restore. Tagal ko na hindi nakapunta sa shop na yun. Coastal Road, dagat. So, first time natin nadala si 124 na may dagat sa tabi natin. So, a change of scenery. First for the 124, ever since owning the car. Tagal, binuo natin to ilang taon. Dagat. So, at least now, finally, nagagamit na natin yan. Pasapote tayo. Alabang. So, very happy for today. Thank you, Lord. Na-miss mo ako.
Good morning.
So this is Easy, the owner of A&M Scientist Garage. Ayun, no? Restoration. Mga classics, mga ganyan.
Pagbalik natin.
Siya. Ha? So ito yung 126 siya, ngayon ko lang nakita. S-Class of the late 70s, early 80s. S-Class to. W126. Pareho tayo ng makina, no? 103. So pareho kami ng engine, M103. Yan, first time to see this in person. Ganda naman, ginagadili, no?
Daily drive.
Daily drive niya to, eh. Naka-sunroof po, US spec, no? Oh, ay, blue interior. Maganda interior mo, ah. Pag luma kasi, it's all about the interior. Ito, walang tulo.
Wala.
Oh. Oh, siyempre, hindi mawawala yung wood. Oh. Ganda ng makina, oh. Kalmado, oh. Pareho kami, umabot. First time.
Tara, we are late.
Tara, okay. Mamaya na to. So, punta na kami Alabang. Huwag kang umataw, ah. Sundan ko na lang siya. Oo.
Tama?
Oo.
Sigurado ka?
Oo. Ano nakalagay dyan? Mahirap kay Easy. Easy has that heavy foot on the gas, no? Ganyan talaga mag-drive yan, eh. So, it's fun to see. Dalawang 80s na sa daan. Sarap feeling. So, sana walang traffic. Para dire-diretso kami sa Palms. Saan ba yun? Basta Palms something. So, I don't know how many cars will be there. But to si Easy kasi alam ko active siya ganyan. Mga clients niya kasi pumupunta ron. No? Buti, nakikisamang sa Pote Road. Wala pa masyadong traffic, just the stoplights and in the sections. Saka may mga enforcers. Ayos pa naman. On our way to Alabang. Ay, malapit na. Alabang na kami. This is Makati Supermarket on my right. The 126 is looking good. The 124 made it. Vital signs are lumamig naman yung engine natin. Nabawasan na yung gas. Bumaba na siya konti. So, ayan, kung makita nyo. Alright, I'm happy with the car. Tagal natin binuo to. Finally, umabot na. No? Second spin dito sa Alabang. Ngayon ko lang napuntahan. So, welcome to Alabang. Finally, we made it. Mag-8 na. 7:30 ang call time. But I don't know how this thing works. Kung dapat pa on time ka. Sa need. Ang alam ko, dapat on time ka pag sa run. Siyempre, dapat sabay-sabay kayong magdadrive nun eh. No? But for a simple meet, siguro kahit hindi naman. Dahil kakain lang naman kayo. Tapos the cars are parked all in the same area. No? Alright, balikan ko na kayo sa venue. Malapit na kami. We are here. Kunti pa lang nakikita ko. And mostly mga modern pa. Wala pang classics. Parang kami pa lang yung isa yung classic. Car made it. Okay, balikan ko kayo. Right. So, line up. Puro two-door. CLK. Actually, kahapon, we just finished filming the SLK of Rocky. Rocky, sabi sa'yo, dapat sumama kayo. I was inviting Rocky for dalhin niya yung SLK niya. Ito pala, SLK pala to 320. So, SLK Club. So far, kami ni Isa yung luma.
Tapos yung wagon.
Ewan ko kung may darating na luma. Yan. May naligaw na BM. Pero, yan, happy. Umabot yung 124 natin. Alongside with Easy's 126. So, the S-Class, no? Actually, itong mags na to and yung goma natin, galing kay Easy yan. Dinonate niya sa atin yan. So, close kasi kami niya ni Easy. So, si Easy nagre-restore yan ng mga Benz. Modern, classic, kaya niya. Ito, compressor, ganda nitong itim na to. Compressor, wala akong kilala dito. Actually, nakakaya. SLK. So, this is the SLK Club. 230, 350. So, this is the V6. AMG. Ganda ng tips. A beautiful C200. Na modern. Ganda ng mags yan. Laki. Ito rin, ha? Ito yung gusto kong mags, eh. Yung may lip para sa kay 124 natin. No? 230s. Yan. Picturean ko lang yung auto natin. So, may nakikita pa akong dumadating na 124. So, hopefully, sana maraming 124. Ha?
Tara.
Ito yung Palms. Dati nakapunta na ako dito. May binyag. Yung pinsan ni Mrs. Or birthday party ata. So, dito ginawa yun. Naalala ko tong place na to. Paling parking, so dito na kami. We moved on the lower down basement. So dito pala lahat the classics. Ito yung inaantay ko, yung classics. Off the bat, turbo diesel na 126. So dito pala lahat sila. Ito, so pang 126. This is my mags, yung isa. Actually, meron akong 126 na isa. Nakatago lang, not running. We have the same mags, the Aeros. Yan yung mahal yan. The 123, ganda na 123. Ganda, no? 240. Ito, pagka black na 123, maganda talaga eh. Oh, ganda ng mags, Pentas. Oo, ganda ng mags eh. Ha? Flat? Oo nga, kawawa naman. Lots of 126. Ayan, the blue one. Hello. We have the slammed E-Class green na E-Class 210 or Mickey Mouse. Yan ang Mickey Mouse, W210. Ito maganda, AMG. Ito, the wagon. Ito, ang ganda ng kulay, two-tone. Pag Benz talaga, dapat two-tone siya. With the sunroof, so imported to. E230. Baka 90s na siya. And the wagon. Siyempre, dapat may wagon. Iconic wagon sa Benz. Ito naka-AMGs na bumpers. Pa. Just like ours, pipinturahan na lang. Ito medyo project pa ng konti. Pero ito parang mga 90s na ata. Or is it? Ewan ko lang. I'm not sure. Ito binubuo pa niya. Dami. Dami rin. Nakakaya nga actually. Sana si Easy. The G-Wagon. Ito, ang ganda oh. Preserve na preserve. And the G-Wag na luma, na classic. Siyempre, the R129 ba to? Ito, black. 140 na black. Ganda. Mark Cars is here. Siyempre, ito, kanya, slam. Ganda, no? Loving the 140. Slam, no? Airsus. Gangster. Baba, oh. Magkano ko baba? Below my chest. And ito, a very desirable car. The 140 Lawrencers. Ito kay Mark Cars. Mark Cars din, pinafollow ko yan. Mike! Yeah. Mike, yeah. First time.
Yeah, first time.
First time, yeah. First time. Kasi feeling ko, aabot na.
Abot yan.
So, umabot siya.
At fuel distributor rebuild.
Oh, yeah.
Just after.
After nun, when I rebuilt her na, yun, everything went well.
That's good.
The brakes, okay na. Sabi ko, tinitesting ko siya once a week. Okay na.
Yung vlogs mo every kahapon, galing duty,
Oo.
sabi ko, sasama na
Oh.
ako sa vlog.
Kaya pinrep ko siya, nakalimutan ko. Change oil na. Uy, Joe. Ito, si Joe, friend natin to. Ano, kamusta? So, sabi ko, about time na sumama. Dami pala. Yung una nasa taas kami, akala ko, ba't parang
dun
wala?
sa harap.
Yeah. SLK.
The SLK Club, no, it's always been here.
Talaga?
Ever since I could remember, sa mga Facebook posts dati, dito talaga.
Dito lang talaga? I
It's either
see.
here or Green Hills.
Okay. So, once a year?
Twice a year. Minsan
Twice a year.
They like to do it every first of the month, first Sunday ganyan. Pero medyo mahirap lang kasi scheduling.
Dami yan.
Marami.
Full pack actually, nakakatawa. So ito yung mga Benz enthusiast. Ay, sa'yo yung slam, di ba? Ay, slam. Hindi. Ito, yung brown one.
Yeah, the brown and
Ito, bagong kuha niya rin. The 210?
yeah, 210.
210.
And then katabi ko
The E-Class. Si Mickey Mouse, di ba? Mickey Mouse ang tawag. Because of the headlight. Magkakatabi.
sila lahat.
Ito, bago niya lang nakuha. Late last year.
Yeah, late last year.
Ganda. Very preserved.
Thank you. Pero
May pinagawa ka? Wala.
pinabuff ko yung headlights, tapos basic service lang.
Yun lang.
Yun lang. Pero na-overshadow yung kotse ko sa G-Wagon.
Hindi, syempre, ibang element na yan. Ito talaga ang the best. So, dine-daily mo siya? Di naman.
There's times sa dinidaily ko, walang problema talaga.
Kaya, no?
Kayang-kaya.
Kaya eh. Kaya nga eh. Takot lang yung tao sa Euro, sa Benz, sa mga 90-90 ano ba to?
6.
6. Mid-90s. And parts are available, shops are available.
Nora.
As you can see, si Ate Nora,
Sonora.
sa Deledor. So you live near the area?
I live in Cainta, Greenwoods.
Malapit lang. O, malapit lang pala sa amin. Diba ako, Libis? So Greenwoods, malapit lang yun. So kay Deledor. Doon ka rin nagpapaservice na?
Not service. I have a guy.
Okay.
Two services mismo. Tapos yung rates niya, mura lang.
Mura lang. Home service?
Yun yun. He has a shop malapit sa Pasig General.
Oo.
He used to work for Manhattan.
Yeah.
And then, he does my basic
Oo.
oil changes. Ganyan. The only thing na medyo mahirap hanapin, yung spark plugs na tama para dito.
Talaga? Ano ba? Bosch? Hindi.
Bosch.
Bosch.
F8DC4.
Mahirap
Nabili
yun?
ko pa sa US eh.
Oh?
When
Really?
I was in the States, I went to Napa Auto Parts, mga AutoZone
Oo.
yan. Nakabili na ako.
Okay.
Papa-install ko pa.
Papa-install.
Kasi ngayon naka-iridium, bawal yan.
Talaga?
Yeah, ayaw ko mag-iridium kasi masisira yung
Oo.
iridium.
Sensitive siya?
Sensitive siya.
Wow, hindi ko, I didn't realize. 230 ba siya?
E230 yan.
230, so 2.3.
Yes.
Inline 4.
Inline 4.
Inline
na
4.
4-speed.
Yun.
So
Okay.
medyo pag nasa highway, yung 2,000 RPM mo, 80 lang eh.
Talaga?
Oo. Opo sir, ito yung mga 5-speed, yan yung mga maganda pang highway.
This one, the green one?
I think naka 5-speed si PJ.
Oh, ang ganda nga ng green
Maganda
din
yung sa kanya, factory installed, Blopong head unit pa and everything eh. Si PJ, dinidaily niya.
Ito, daily to. Ang ganda ng color talaga ng green. So, green ba? Yeah. Sa Benz, kaya parang green. Yan yung loob. So, ito yung E-Class ng 90s. Yung sa 10, 80s. Tapos ito, 123 actually. Yun yung E-Class noon. Tapos naging 124. Tapos naging 210 ito.
Pagkatapos yan, 211.
Oh yeah, the 211 ang next. Yeah. Ito yung kanya. Kay Mike. 230s. May following din eh. Uy! Ganda ng loob! Oh, it's the interior that got me. Anong tawag sa interior? What color?
Saffron leather lang yun nasa bill code.
Not cinnamon, not ano, wala.
Saffron.
Saffron.
Parang paella.
Walang tulo.
Walang tulo.
Buti na lang.
Ginagamit ko nga palagi eh.
Talaga? Binubuksan mo?
Binubuksan ko, hindi ako takot eh.
Tapang mo ha?
Kasi when you don't use it, masisira na yan.
Well, true. Ang maganda loob niya, the interior is nice.
So medyo messy lang eh.
Ay, ako rin, if you've seen my car. So, yeah, happy to be here. Ha?
Tanggal tint na lang.
Papatanggal mo yung tint?
Ang dilim sa gabi sir.
Ako nga, naka-super black.
Nakita ko nga eh, pero bagay sa'yo kasi all black ka.
Bagay, pero sa gabi ang hirap. So, I had to change the bulbs ng mas malakas. To help me.
LED ba siya?
Yeah,
or-
LED na ngayon.
Okay.
So-
bagong 1 to 3 na duwadating.
Yan, people are still coming. Do you have any idea how many packs?
Wait lang, it's in the list.
Talaga?
40 people ata.
40.
Yes.
Parang more than to.
Ayan, 45.
45 ang nagano.
Oo.
45 pala. So si Sir Calvin ang nag-arrange. Later, let's meet him. So, ikot lang tayo. Check ko lang yung mga cars.
Sure.
So, ikot tayo ulit. Having the Lorenzer, the 140. Ito ang gangster talaga. Ganda, no? Ito, 115 ba to? Not sure. Then the C-Class. Oh, the coupe, the CE. 123 CE, meaning 2-door siya. Ito gusto ko rin, highly desirable. Ganda ng mugs, oh. Parang a 2-piece ba to? Naka-dish, no? Ganda ng itim. Alam mo, black talaga sa Benz. Panalo eh. Ito maganda. Then we have the Ponton. Ito ang pinaka-luma ata. Is this 1950s? I'm not sure. Even lower pa. The Ponton. Ponton ata ito, ang alam ko. Oh, it's a diesel, oh. 180 diesel. Diesel siya. 180D. I'm not sure kung Ponton tawag And we have the louvers. Tapos may E55. V8. On the side. Ganda ng CE na to. Two-door. V8 compressor. Ito maganda. Ito masarap i-drive. The bad boy. With the V8 4-door AMG E55. So 5.5 no? V8 compressor. So supercharge. V8 na supercharge to. Ang lakas nito. Ayan, B nga yung plate. With the quad pipes and everything. Ano pa? Daming entries ha. 1, 2, 3 with the roof rack on. This is I think gray. A wagon. So it's a wagon. Or touring. In foreign markets, they call it the touring. turbo diesel, 300 TD, highly desirable. Ito naman, the 123 CE, the two-door. This is naman the 230 CE. So 124 na two-door, parang sa atin, pero two-door siya. Ito mataas din ang value na sa at least 500,000. Yung upholstery niya could use a job. Pero yung pintura sa labas ang ganda. May crack ng konti. Pero this is still a CE two-door. Konti na lang yan. The R129s nandito. And there's merong 190E na isa. Dapat pala 190E natin, no? Di bale, pagka fix na yon from the paint job, we are having it painted, madadala na natin siya. Oh, this is the diesel. Ito, bihira to. 2.5 turbo. Turbo D. No? So that's the lineup. So let's take some pictures. So I have my name tag from Sir Calvin. He's the organizer. So Sir Calvin, meron din niyang auto car restoration, Calvin Auto. I'll put the link here or the picture here. Para if you guys need restoring sa mga Benzo specific, Sir Calvin. Pero puno lagi yan. So again, this is the lineup. I'll just take some pictures para for photo docs. So Joe is here. We share Mike. Si Mike, siya rin ang gumagawa ng CE niya. He has the 123 two-door. Tapos may isa pa eh. 115 ba yung isa?
114.
114, 280. Then he has like two more
On
as a shaft. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, kakagawa lang ng
Kaka-repair lang ng distributor. It gave
Rebuild.
up after 42 years.
Oh, wow.
Good thing that you could buy the...
Where did you buy the kit?
We ordered it from Germany.
Oh, ship
And,
talaga.
Yeah, it's around 2 weeks.
Not bad ah.
Yeah. And then when they installed
Is it online lang?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Then when they repaired it,
Okay na, no?
it worked, but then they saw that the valve seal was...
So goma lang.
yeah, goma lang.
Rubber lang siya.
Palit. And then, yun, okay na siya.
Sa bahay lang.
Yes.
Oh. Si Mike, diba, home service. Same with here, after na-rebuild na yung distributor, everything else went well. Ayan, nalabas na natin siya. So it's really the distributor eh. So it gave out after 40 years. So now it's good for another 40 years.
Good for another
So pag 80 years old na kami, or hindi, more than na, 40 na pala. Tama, pag 80 na kami, hopefully humaandar pa yan. Pero this timeless beauties, so, ayan. It's fun to be one sa meet. First time. Tara! So the breakfast looks like this. So buffet naman siya. Ay Mike, yeah, sige, mamaya after. Dami tao eh. Alright, kain-kain lang. The selection is nice. Okay naman. And with Mark and Joe, with his wife. Okay. In the garage again. At tapos na. Oy, Black Series ba yan? Hindi. Black ba? Nice. Mugs, ano?
Ilan sa Philippines?
63. 6.3 V8. What a treat. Legendary motor. Hand-built. NA. NA ito eh, no? Gandang engine, no? Tsaka, the color. Silver. Diba? And we have a G-Wag. Siyempre, V8 here. So, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. One final look of the parking of these beautiful cars. 80s, 70s, 60s. Baka may 50s pa. I don't know. We have the 90s, mid-90s, the 123s, the 124s, the 126, the W210, the G-Wag. Ano? So, ganda ng selection. The R129s. So, mamaya tapusin natin yung vlog. Pauwi. Tignan natin. Siyempre, hindi complete ang biyahe. Hindi tayo makauwi sa bahay. No? So, we'll be leaving in a bit. So, one final look of the car. Baka humaba na naman tong vlog. Sorry, I apologize. Ganda na mags, oh. BBS na gold, oh. Hangas. One final look of the 190E. The only remaining 190E here. Nag-iisa. Na diesel. This is very rare. 2.5 turbo diesel. Rare na rare to. Nag-iisa lang siya. Na-miss ko tuloy 190E natin. Richard, sana matapos mo na yung kotse natin. So I could park beside her. Diesel, no? Yan. Some rollers lang. They're fixing the parking of the G-Wag, the V8. Ganda, parang kay Miko. Mid 2000, I think. Pagtatabi nila with the oldie. With the diesel one. Sila lang yung dalawang G-Wag dito. E60. E60. So we have an E60. Very rare. Ganda talaga. Ito yung naka-facelift na A-Class. A60 V8 din ata to. AMGs na bumper, B-plate, and with the E500 mags. Yung mags yan, ang ganda. E500. Ganda sa loob, oh. 90s na to eh. And V8 ata. Pero may kilometers hanggang 300. Yung speedometer niya. Oh, yan nga, E60. Tira mo, pareho kami ng muffler tips. Ganyan yung sa atin. So this is the original AMG, body kits along with the Black Series. Very rare moment na may Black Series tsaka E60 together. No? So here in the Philippines, we have this kind of groups. The Benz group is active or alive. Thank you, Sir Calvin, for arranging the event, for hosting the event. Many people came and I saw a lot of Benz, luma, bago, lahat-lahat, rare. It's nice to see, no? So this one stole the show. The E60 stole the show. Yung lumabas siya, late siya eh. Naglabasan lahat to check her out. Dahil very rare naman talaga. Ganda ng emblem niya, oh. Kintab pa, oh. Yung hood emblem. Ito, 103. Na 126. Same engine as ours. Tahimik, oh. Tahimik siya. Kalmado. Yan. Same engine sa atin. Ilalagay din sa S-Class. Sorry, last na. We're still here. It's 10:30. We have this diesel 126 US version ata. Okay, Sir Mark, he's talking with him. Daily driven. Cavite, Dasma. Oh, the reliability of the 126 or the Benz. Pero ito, diesel. Turbo. Ito yung turbo niya. Laki, oh. Sa gilid. So, ito, daily niya, oh. Galing, oh. Diba? So, this car pala, no, kanina, the owner was there. This is a 1985 G-Wag diesel, diba? So, he got it from the first owner. Tagal na. 40-year-old car. He drove it from the original owner where he bought the car from. Drove the car from Germany all the way here to the Philippines. Siyempre, may boat na in everything. Pero, land-driven. Tapos, ever since here, nabili na ni Sir yung kotse. So, ang ganda pala ng history na itong G-Wagon na to. Talagang driven siya. Imagine, no? Just sharing the story. Kasi it's always nice to have the story of the car. Eh, kinukwento ng owner kanina ron. Bait na owner. So, the oldest car here, 1960. Late 1960. Nilagyan na ng aircon. Walang aircon dati yan, stock. Ito mo yung battery, oh. Pan-truck. Pang-canter. So, diesel, 180D. He is the owner, Sir Lloyd. Oh, ganda, no? Preserve. Itong talagang wala na. So, it's nice to see one here. So, this is the Euro version. Ay, US version. Ganyan ang US na headlight. Tapos, this is the Euro. So, medyo magkaiba talaga. So, the US parang may square. The Euro, wala. No? Okay, so it's almost 11:30. Paalis na ako, nagpaalam na ako. Thank you so much, Sir Calvin. Thank you, group. Part A is done. Mabot yung kotse dito sa Alabang. Part B now, uwi na tayo. So, hopefully, okay pa rin yung kotse pa uwi. Doon ko tatapusin yung vlog, no? Sorry if it took so long again, but wala, dami nating napakita, dami nating nakausap, eh, no? Ganun talaga. Balik S-Lex, and umuulan, sakto yung alis ko. Biglang umulan. We are on 4th. 5th gear na ako doon. At least nabababad natin yung 5th gear. Like that. bihira natin magamit yan. Tumuulan. Nabawasan na yung gas. So bumaba na siya from half. Sakto lang. So tapusin ko na yung vlog pagdating natin sa bahay kasi baka humaba na naman. Sorry. Pero I'm loving the drive. It's a Sunday drive. First time natin dinala yung auto ng ganito kalayo. So very happy with the meet. Car did very well. So hindi pa tapos ang test sa kanya. Uuwi pa tayo sa bahay, no? See you later. So the car made it, I think. Sa C5 na kami. Ito na yung tulay. Punta na ang 10 bisitas. So everything is all good. Malapit na tayo sa bahay. It's medyo umuulan. It's quite gloomy. Malapit na mag 12 o'clock. Home sweet home. 12 o'clock. Vital check. Lamig ng makina. Yung gas, ang dami pang naiwan. More than 1/4. So nabawasan siya from, hindi naman saktong half yan yung umalis tayo. So may natira pa. Car did great pero medyo nabagalan lang ako ng konti. So maybe it can use a tune. No? Baka pwede pang i-tune ni Mike to. Some other time, pagka when he's here, siguro. Anyway, not a concern right now. But so happy. The car did great. Umabot tayo sa Alabang, back and forth, Las Piñas, EDSA. I think we consumed about close to 60 kilometers today. Happy with the car. Lahat ng pagod natin, yung pinagdaanan natin dito, medyo paid off a bit, no? So thank you Mike, Fox, kila Evelyn, Sir Mot, sa mga tumulong sa akin to build this car, Joanne. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. So sana hindi masyado mahaba. Sorry kung humaba. Thank you.
Two different levels, I cannot relate.